YouTube, what's going on? It's Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Back again today with a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This version is actually meant for vinyl pools, but this will actually work for the concrete versions as well. Stay tuned. We're going to dive in and show you guys how to fix this thing. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we got a quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's PoolVac V-Flex. This is their vinyl version. I'll kind of get into some detail here for you guys on what will identify it as a vinyl version over a concrete version. But after that, we're going to jump into the quick fix, which will be removing the actual bottom plate here that your orifice, your suction throat, whatever it's called, where the debris will actually go into the turbine and up in through the cleaner to your basket. I'll actually show you guys how to remove this part. So as I have it upside down here, one key thing that you guys are looking for to determine whether or not it's a vinyl or it's a concrete style pool is that you guys are cleaner, is that you're looking at the pods on the bottom. So these little pods right here, there's 4 of them on this. These come in different materials. So based off of what kind of surface that you guys actually have on the pool will determine what kind of shoes or pods that you guys actually use. So these are like a cork board, so they're much softer and less abrasive. So these are going to be used for a vinyl pool. So say you accidentally bought this cleaner and you actually want to swap it to a concrete version, you can actually pull these feet off and replace them with the concrete pads, shoes, pods, whatever you guys want to call them. And those will actually allow this cleaner to function the exact same way as the concrete version. So they do sell multiple versions of the cleaner. They have different types of styles. So obviously this one's the vinyl. They have the concrete gunite, which is most of your plaster pebble pools. And then obviously you can buy each one of the shoes in different styles. So all right, now that I help you guys determine that, let's go back to actually replacing this little piece right here on the bottom. So this is your center part. When you flip this thing over, this is exactly what it looks like. We haven't taken this thing apart at all. So this will be the first quick fix for you guys. So you're looking at just taking off this plate, which will actually pull out a longer piece of plastic that they call like the suction throat, whatever it may be. And that will actually allow you to get some access in there to the actual turbine to remove any debris without actually fully having to take this thing apart. So only tool that you pretty much need on this entire cleaner to do any kind of quick fixes is a Phillips head screwdriver. So got my handy dandy little ratchet one here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in reverse. And then the one thing that you're looking for is as you guys flip it over, you'll notice that there are 3 screws here right across the towards the rear of the cleaner. These are going to be the ones that you guys are going to kind of focus on. The number one that you need to remove first to get this orifice out is actually the one in the center. And then if you guys remove the other ones, it's okay. Don't worry about it. It's actually part of another quick fix that we'll have in a later video. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one screw. Again, it's in there. It doesn't actually come out. It's part of the actual throat. And when I flip it over, I'll show you guys here. It actually has a locking washer here. And so you guys can tell that this screw won't come back down. The purpose of that is obviously you don't lose it into the turbine and into the cleaner itself to cause issues. So once you guys have loosened it to, a few turns, then you're just going to have to kind of slowly rock it back and forth in order to actually get this thing off. So once you guys have removed it, you'll guys notice that now you have access in here where you can see the turbine of the cleaner. And with that turbine, obviously if there's a large tree branch or stick or leaf that is just available right here, you guys can actually pull that out, put this back on and get the cleaner back into the pool. If it's something that's a little deeper, obviously you guys are going to have to stick around for a later video, so then that way we can show you guys how to actually get inside the entire cleaner. But for today's video, again, just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview on these pods as well as how to remove this and get access into that turbine so you guys can see it. So I really appreciate you guys watching. We've got all these parts available directly on our website, so check out the links below. We'll actually take you guys directly to the page so you guys can see the full part breakdown for this cleaner and be able to purchase any parts that you need. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way on this cleaner as well as all the other cleaners out there on the market. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time. you.